Now the next, that's a division, kingdom, which category or class, which category? Bryophyte is a which category? Division, kingdom, plantae. First division, algae, that we have completed in that three classes, Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Next division, that is the bryophytes, right? Next is a which one? Bryophytes. Bryophytes, they are known as basically amphibians of the plant kingdom. You know amphibians? Yes. They live in water, on land, right? So because, see, assertion, reason, kind of MCQ from this line. And bryophytes are known as amphibians of the plant kingdom. It's the assertion. Reason is what? Because these plants can live in soil, but for sexual reproduction, it depends on what? Water. It releases gametes, and that gametes we mean water. You know, ओगोनियम हमने लर्न किया था, फिर मैंने एंथ्रोजोइड्स बताया था, swim in water in algae. Same case over here, right? So amphibians of the plant kingdom, because these plants live in soil, but for sexual reproduction it needs what? Water. Next, bryophytes includes, that's different classes over here in that different organism. Main two organism here mentioned, that is mosses and liverworts. कौन से दो organisms है? Right? अभी algae complete. Bryophytes के examples start. Mosses and second is a repeat. Mosses and liverworts. Repeat. Mosses and liverworts. Repeat. Mosses and liverworts. Mosses and liverworts, right? So basically liverworts अगर हम देखें, so liverworts in that, over here, can you make out this? That's ये टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है आपको, राइट? इट्स लुक आपको ग्रीन कलर का है, वैसे लगेगा कि इट्स अ लीफ, यस और नो? बट algae भी तो ग्रीन है, लीफ था नहीं, राइट? Bryophyte, again we call it a thallus-like organization. In that root-like structure, not true roots, but root-like, stem-like, leaf-like structures are present, right? In bryophytes also root-like, stem-like, leaf-like structures are present. Liverworts जो है, liverworts basically flattened structure है. मान लो कि ये lobes जैसा दिख रहा है, fingers को, they are attached. ये suppose soil surface है, this one. So they are attached. They remain attached to the soil surface. Erect grow नहीं हो रहा है. क्या है? In a creeping form, right? Remain attached to the substratum. Remain attached to the which one? Substratum, right? It's a flattened body structure. You know this palm, ये flat part है. Which one? Flat. So this kind of flat part of structure that remain attached to the substratum, that kind of bryophytes we observed in which category? Liverworts. Which one? Liverworts. Liverworts. So now liverworts, another is a which one? Mosses. Mosses. Which one? Mosses. Now next, that these organisms are mainly commonly growing in a which part? Moist shaded areas in the hill, right? In the hill where the moist, can you make out this shaded part? Yes. Over here in this part, this bryophytes are growing in this, right? Next, habitat, generally they need damp, humid and shaded localities. Direct sunlight नहीं आनी चाहिए वहां पे. They prefer generally which part? Shaded localities. Okay. Next, importance, they play main role in plant succession on bare rock. ये क्या है? Plant succession on bare rock. आपने have you ever observed this thing? I think observe किया होगा that after monsoon, once the rainfall is done, जहाँ पे वेजिटेशन नहीं होता है ना रेनफॉल के बाद, वहां पे भी आपको पूरा ग्रीनरी ग्रीनरी दिखना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, यस और नो, है ना? सो जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दैट. कोई लाइक माउंटेन्स है जहाँ पे बेयर रॉक है ना, इन दैट नो, ऑन दैट नो वेजिटेशन. सो बेयर रॉक के ऊपर भी प्लांट्स ग्रो हो सकते हैं. ऑन बेयर रॉक इवन प्लांट्स कैन एबल टू ग्रो. तो विच प्लांट्स कैन एबल टू ग्रो? देखिए इवोल्यूशन है. Basic small, that's a plant that is the primitive plant, that is the algae. फिर उसके बाद आता है मॉसेस, ब्रायो मीन्स दैट द ब्रायोफाइट्स, देन टेरिडोफाइट्स, जिम्नोस्पर्म एंड एंजियोस्पर्म। डायरेक्टली एंजियोस्पर्म तो आके वहां पे ग्रो नहीं कर सकते, राइट। सो फर्स्ट एक्चुअल जो ग्रो होता है ना, दैट्स एक्चुअल द लाइकेंस। फर्स्ट क्या ग्रो करता है वहां पे? लाइकेंस। लाइकेंस कैन ग्रो ऑन द बेर रॉक। बुक में है नहीं, जस्ट फॉर योर नॉलेज। Lichens grow on bare rock because lichen secrete one acid, lichenic acid secrete करता है। क्या secrete करता है? And lichenic acid that helps to erode that bare rock. Erode करना meaning what? Small small उसमें cavities form करने में help करता है, right? Once that small small crevices or cavities are formed, in that gradually जैसे ही rainfall होगा तो small small crevices in that small amount of water holding process start, very little quantity water holding start, gradually फिर वो लाइकेन के बाद वहां पे कौन ग्रो कर लेता है? मॉसेस। लाइकेन के बाद कौन ग्रो करता है? मॉसेस। रिमेंबर विच वन? मॉसेस। सो फर्स्ट लाइकेन, एक्चुअल विच ऑर्गेनिज्म फर्स्ट ग्रो ऑन बेर रॉक? लाइकेन। फिर लाइकेन that makes the suitable conditions over there so that the mosses can grow over there. फिर mosses grow होना start हो जाएगा, right? Mosses gradually it makes more advanced habitat condition over there. उसके बाद mosses belongs to which category? तो ब्रायो के बाद next वहां पे आएंगे फिर that's the pteridophytes, right? Gradually herbs, shrubs and trees were grow on this part. क्लियर? सो ये हम बोलते हैं, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? सक्सेशन। क्या बोलते हैं? प्रिमिटिव टू एडवांस, राइट? सो रोल इन प्लांट सक्सेशन ऑन बेर रॉक बिकॉज मॉसेस कैन एबल टू ग्रो ओवर हियर। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, प्लांट बॉडी मोर डिफरेंशिएटेड देन दैट ऑफ द algae. Algae is the most primitive one. It is what kind of structure? Thallus-like. Thallus-like and prostrate or erect. Prostrate or erect. Prostrate meaning what? Growing parallel to the soil surface. Growing what? Parallel to the soil surface. Parallel समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Yes or no? हम erect है, right now erect है या prostrate? Erect. अगर हम स्लिपिंग मोड में आ जाए तो सरफेस पे ऊपर आ गए, वो प्रोस्ट्रेट मोड होगा, इन दैट वे, राइट? सो ब्रायोफाइट्स, some members are growing in a which form? Prostrate, and some members growing in a erect. Liverworts in a prostrate form and the mosses in a which form? Erect form. And attached to the substratum by unicellular or multicellular rhizoid structure. Which structure? Here roots are absent. True roots are what? Absent. But which structure is present? Rhizoid structure is present. Remember, which structure? Can you make out these thread-like structures over here? They are not true roots, but root-like. And these structures we call rhizoids. ये structures क्या है? Rhizoids. ये उसका substratum है. Soil part दिखा है ना, mountain जैसा. That is which one? Substratum. Substratum के साथ attached तो रहना पड़ेगा. Yes or no? It's a root-like structure. It takes the nourishment from soil. Plants है ना? Plants take the nourishment from soil. Clear? So prostrate हो या फिर which one? Erect. Both the forms attached to substratum with the help of rhizoids. That rhizoids can be unicellular, single cell भी हो सकते या फिर which one? Multicellular structure. Understood this? Yes or no? Unicellular meaning what? Unicellular meaning single cell and multicellular meaning many cells, right? Single cell अगर है, मान लो कि here the section of root अगर हम draw करें, ये root का outer surface है, parenchyma से बना हुआ, right? In that this cell that shows the extension which likes a rhizoid. ये extension जो form हो रहा है ना, वो क्या है? राइजोइड। तो देखो सिंगल सेल से ही एक्सटेंशन बन गया तो वो यूनिसेल्युलर है। क्या है? यूनिसेल्युलर। इन सम ऑफ देम द एक्सटेंशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस नंबर ऑफ सेल्स, तो वो क्या बन गया? मल्टीसेल्युलर राइजोइड। अंडरस्टूड? सो यूनिसेल्युलर एज वेल एज व्हिच वन? मल्टीसेल्युलर राइजोइड्स आर प्रेजेंट इन ब्रायोफाइट्स। अप टू हियर क्लियर? Bryophytes lack true roots, true stem, and leaves. So here, root-like, leaf-like, or stem-like structures are present because these are still amphibians. They are the true land plants. No, they are not the true land plants. जो true land plants है ना, उसी के पास क्या है? True root, true stem, true leaves, and that's the pteridophytes. Next category, right? These are the amphibians. अभी भी water है, and the which one? Land. Clear? So understand this. They lack true root, stem, and leaves, but they possess root-like, stem-like, leaf-like structure. तो ये slide में से main first bryophytes are known as what? Why they are known as amphibians of plant kingdom? Zill. Because they live in soil, but for water they depends on for sexual reproduction depends on water. Next, in that different varieties are there, mosses and liverworts, right? Third होते हैं hornworts. Third कौन से होते हैं? Hornworts, right? Hornworts भी है. Next one, but आपकी बुक में दो ही है, mosses and liverworts. That are found commonly growing in which one? Moist, shaded or the which one? High sunlight intensity areas? Shaded one. They need damp, humid and shaded localities. They help in plant succession on bare rock. Plant body is more differentiated or less differentiated than algae? In that thallus-like, so root-like, stem-like, leaf-like structure. It can be prostrate or, but both the form attached to with the help of a root-like structure we call rhizome, and that's always unicellular, always multicellular. No, either or, uni or multi. बोलिए, ये slide clear? Yes. Sure. Now next one after that, ये basics है, right? ये basic अभी से लर्न करना है तो टेरिडोफाइट, जिम्नो एंड 12th का फर्स्ट चैप्टर एंजियोस्पर्म इजी हो जाए. ओके. अल्टरनेशन ऑफ जनरेशन कहीं पे आया था आगे ऐसे वर्ड? विच टू जनरेशन? गैमेटोफाइट एंड स्पोरोफाइट. विच टू? नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दैट फर्स्ट कंसीडर, राइट, that bryophytes over here, which phase given? Gametophyte. Gametophyte meaning gamete production stage, producing stage. Gamete producing stage means अभी कौन सा reproduction होगा? Sexual, isn't it? So gametophyte is a gamete producing stage. Repeat कीजिए. And gametes are always, तो ये स्टेज कैसा होगा? Haploid. Which one? Haploid. Right? Now, formation of gametes are formed inside that particular sex organs. Right? So male sex organ we call antheridium. Repeat. Antheridium. Male sex organ in bryophytes we call antheridium. Female sex organ we call archegonium. Which one? Archegonium. Female sex organ? Archegonium. Female sex organ? Archegonium. Male sex organ? Antheridium. Antheridium. Which one? Antheridium. Clear? Now ये पार्ट यहाँ पे आएगा actually, female sex organ. Now, antheridium, male sex organ, produces, understand that see here that this is one of the plant body, bryophyte, liverwort की plant body है. On that both these structures are formed. एक ही plant body पे, understand, one of the bryophytes में first हम देखे तो liverworts. Which one? Liverworts are primitive bryophytes. Liverworts are primitive bryophytes. और उसी में ही mosses भी आते हैं. Mosses उसके advanced version है, right? So liverworts में दो examples हमें learn करने हैं, Rixia and Markensia. Which two? Rixia and Markensia. Repeat. Rixia and Markensia. Which one? Rixia and Markensia. Repeat. Rixia and Markensia. Repeat. Rixia and Markensia. Rixia and Markensia. Clear? Now Rixia जो है अभी एक न्यू टर्म मोनोशियस है. क्या है? Which word? And Arcancia is a dioecious. क्या है? Monoecious. Mono for single. Ecious meaning sexes. Single sex meaning single organism has both the sexes. Meaning bisexual. Which one? Bisexual. We are bisexual or unisexual? Unisexual. We are unisexual or bisexual? Unisexual. Unisexual. नेक्स्ट डायोशियस जो है उसका मीनिंग होता है यूनिसेक्सुअल. बोलिए. क्लियर? सो रिक्शिया, अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट दिस टर्म्स, right? Rixia is a monoecious or dioecious? Monoecious. In your book mention only Markensia, but we will prepare Rixia for NEET only. Okay, extra में एक Rixia का example करना है. So Rixia and Markensia. Rixia that is monoecious. Monoecious meaning bisexual, meaning both the sexes in a one organism. Right? We can't say that okay, this is the male or female. In that both the organs are present. Now, first ये हो गया इतना. Here, Rixia, that's the thalloid body present. Thalloid word should I use or not? Yes. It's not through root stem and leaf, so we call thalloid body. On that, ये आपको structure दिखाई दे रहा है in this one. See, here that's the antheridium structure is there. अभी just वैसे squares करूँ. Each square, each one that form what? Biflagellated anthrozoids. हर एक में क्या present है? क्या present है? Biflagellated anthrozoids. Biflagellated. This one is a which structure? Antheridium. Antheridium is a male sex organ or female? और यहाँ पे क्या present है? Anthrozoid. क्या है? Anthrozoid. Anthrozoids like this, single nucleus and biflagellated. Right? Now, flagella है. So flagella है तो it can do what? Swim? हाँ, motile, swimming. Next is a female sex organ. Female sex organ in that the flask shaped structure जैसे हमने ओवोनियम के लिए किया था. Same over here. That anthrozoid at maturity released from the which structure? Antheridium. Over here, imagine that's the water. Bryophytes are growing in a dry or moist, humid. Where moist, it needs water. Nearby water bodies ही वो grow करेंगे. Because once their gametes are formed, these gametes released into what? Water. So anthrozoids that released into what? Water. Right? It swim in water, and by that way it reached to what? Archegonium. Which one? Archegonium. Inside that the egg cell is present. Right? Archegonium is a female sex organ. तो ये पूरा पिंक कलर का स्ट्रक्चर उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Archegonium. Which one? And this one we call egg cell. Clear? Now, as and when ये जो शॉर्ट नैरो पैसेज है ना उसको नेक रीजन बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? नेक रीजन. Once the anthrozoid, can anyone tell me that this anthrozoids release into water? उसको कैसे पता चलेगा? Archegonium over here. Chemical, chemotropism, intensity. Right? I told you it releases certain chemicals, chemotropism की help से it reach over here. Next one. Once it reach, it start moving inside the which one? That archegonium, that neck region, and ultimately it reach over here and fuse with egg cell. This is male gamete. Yes or no? Yes. And egg is a female gamete. So inside the archegonium, fertilization takes place. Yes. Right? And by fertilization, when these two unite and form what? Zygote. क्या बनेगा? Zygote. So see this cycle till here. First what? Gametophyte. This is the gametophyte condition because gamete produced हो रहे. So gametophytes in that first male sex organ and Male sex organ we call. Inside that what is growing? Female sex organ we call. Inside that. Now anthrozoids released into water. It swim in water, reach to archegonium, and then enter into archegonium. Meet with leads to fusion, fertilization, right? And form what? यहाँ तक क्लियर है पहले? श्योर? यस और नो? Same. Flask shape that produces single egg, release that biflagellated anthrozoid release into water and comes in contact with archegonium. Egg and that anthrozoids both fusion that leads to formation of zygote. यहाँ तक हमने कंप्लीट किया. समझ में आया? यस और नो? फिर क्या लिखा है? It does not undergo reduction division immediately. क्या लिखा है? Does not undergo which division? Reduction division immediately. Meaning what over here? Once the zygote is formed, right? This zygote generally, अब algae में हमने लर्न किया था, algae में spores का आपको नहीं था, but algae के भी spores कैसे होते हैं? Haploid. कैसे होते हैं? We have learned in fungus, है ना? Ascospore, Basilospore, याद है? Zygote will undergo meiosis. Sexual spores बनते थे, but now we are moving towards the advanced, that's the plants, right? So in that case, zygote will undergo mitosis first. Zygote is a unicellular or multicellular structure. बोलिए, zygote is a unicellular or multicellular? कितना सेल दिख रहा है आपको? हाँ, right? We all arise from a single cell, है ना? Once the fertilization done, both the cell fuse with each other. Single cell is made, and that single cell we call zygote, right? Zygote that first undergo mitosis. Which one? Mitosis. I hope you know about mitosis. Yes or no? Right? Mitosis. In that, one cell divides and how many daughter cells? 2. So now in that 1 to 2 daughter cell, then 2 to 4 to 8. Like that, so many times mitotic division occur, and from the single cell, multicellular structure is formed. Yes or no? Right? So single zygote that will undergo mitosis. So unicellular structure now convert to multicellular. Right? यहाँ तक clear है? And now this multicellular structure that grow as sporophyte. क्या? इससे क्या बनेगा? Sporophyte. Multicellular structure grow as what? Sporophyte. तो देखिए, गैमेटोफाइट टू स्पोरोफाइट हमने फॉर्म किया पहले. समझ में आ रहा है? गैमेटोफाइट टू विच वन? स्पोरोफाइट. क्विक रिवीजन, राइट? स्टार्ट्स विथ एंथ्रीडियम. In that, second, archegonium. In that, enter into archegonium. Then it fusion leads to zygote will undergo and form multicellular. Nucleated नहीं, हर एक सेल में एक ही न्यूक्लियाई है, right? So multicellular structure. And that part now we call which one? Sporophyte. ये जो multicellular structure form हुआ, yes or no? So multicellular structure differentiated into basically 3 parts. देखिए, इसमें आपको can you make out this archegonium structure? फ्लास्क शेप आर्किगोनियम स्ट्रक्चर, जिसके अंदर यहाँ पे वो एम्ब्रियो, जाइगोट से मल्टीसेल्युलर क्या बना? एम्ब्रियो. जाइगोट से क्या बनता है? एम्ब्रियो. तो वो मल्टीसेल्युलर स्ट्रक्चर एम्ब्रियो, जिसमें से कैन यू मेक आउट दिस? नीचे लीफ जैसा स्ट्रक्चर है, ऊपर कैप जैसा स्ट्रक्चर है, ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर्स फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, राइट? सो नाउ अंडरस्टैंड इन दिस वे that once this multicellular embryo is formed, that embryo convert into what? Sporophyte. Sporophyte, right now consider that 3 parts are there: foot, सिटा एंड कैप्सूल. कौन से 3 पार्ट? Think about ourselves. Human. We all arise from single cell. Single cell will undergo mitosis. By mitosis, that's converting to multicellular. तो जैसे ही सेल फॉर्म होता है क्या वो लीवर किडनी बनाना स्टार्ट कर देता है? नहीं. इनिशियल दैट सेल मास इज फॉर्म. फिर ग्रेजुअली हर एक को वर्क प्रोवाइड होता है. नाउ दिस ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स विल बिकम लीवर, दिस ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स विल बिकम किडनी, दिस बिकम ब्रेन, दिस बिकम स्टमक, लाइक दैट. Understood this, right? So same over here, that this 405, it says now some of the cells form what? Food, some cells form cilia and some form capsule. Food itself represent lower part or upper part? Lower part, right? So food that is over here, basically this जो greeny structures दिखाई दे ना, wait, huh? Right now this much food, cilia and capsule. Because first we complete the other part and then we come over here again back. Clear है यहाँ तक पहले सब story? Now so this so zygote first किसने गया था? Undergoing meiosis or mitosis? Mitosis. Meiosis में अभी नहीं गया. Which one? Mitosis. And by mitosis it forms what? Multicellular body and that we call sporophyte. एक हमारा रिडक्शन डिवीजन बाकी है अभी. इमीडिएटली लिखा है, ऐसा नहीं लिखा है कि नहीं जाएगा, बट इमीडिएटली वो रिडक्शन नहीं. इमीडिएट फर्स्ट क्या करेगा? माइटोसिस, एंड बाय माइटोसिस इट फॉर्म द स्पोरोफाइट, एंड दैट स्पोरोफाइट इज डिफरेंशिएटेड इनटू व्हिच 3 पार्ट्स? फूड, सेटा एंड कैप्सूल, राइट? फूड, सेटा एंड कैप्सूल. यहाँ तक स्टोरी क्लियर है? यस. चलिए नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट दैट इज द not free living but attached to the photosynthetic gametophyte. Meaning what over here? That you know archegonium part, है ना? तो archegonium is a female gametophyte, right? Female sex organ basically. Which one? Female sex organ, right? So here ये आपको स्ट्रक्चर्स दिख रहे हैं फिंगर जैसा? yes or no? right? This finger like structure over here, that is female gametophyte. which one? और यहाँ पे uneven ऐसे रिंग जैसा स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है, that is male gametophyte. which one? Male gametophyte. Now you have to understand that male gametophyte and female gametophyte development is there, but that is within the plant body. That is within the what? Plant body. Suppose over here that green color liverworts are there. Okay. Now next ये liverworts के ऊपर during the sexual reproduction time that male gametophyte, तो suppose यहाँ पे antheridium develop हो रहा है, and the other is a which one? फीमेल गैमेटोफाइट. तो यहाँ पे क्या डेवलप हो रहा है? आर्कीगोनियम. which one? आर्कीगोनियम, राइट? प्लांट बॉडी है. ऑन प्लांट बॉडी दिस गैमेट प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेज आर फॉर्म. yes or no? now anthrozoid release and reach over here, fertilization takes place, zygote forms, zygote will undergo and form sporophyte. तो स्पोरोफाइट जो बॉडी फॉर्म हो रहा है, फूड, सीटा एंड कैप्सूल. तो फूड या फूड, सीटा एंड द कैप्सूल, राइट? फूड, सीटा एंड विच वन? कैप्सूल. तो ये जो येलो कलर का मैंने ग्रो करवाया यहाँ पे वो स्पोरोफाइट है. नीचे ग्रीन कलर का जो पूरा पार्ट है दैट इज गैमेटोफाइट. विच वन? गैमेटोफाइट. और वो गैमेटोफाइट के ऊपर मेल सेक्स ऑर्गन एंड फीमेल सेक्स ऑर्गन डेवलप, राइट? So ultimately, sporophyte is attached to which one? Gametophyte. Sporophyte brown color का develop होगा. Which one? Brown and little bit different color, but not the green color. And gametophyte is in which color? Green color. Gametophyte is in which color?
Green color.
So who will prepare the food? Green color or brown color? Gametophyte, right? So gametophyte that prepares the food, and that food given to which one? Sporophyte. That's a prepared food given to the which one? Sporophyte. समझ में आ रहा है? And sporophyte in that food, seta, and the which one? Capsule, right? अंडरस्टैंड द साइकिल. फर्स्ट हमने गैमेटोफाइट, ये पूरा गैमेटोफाइट स्ट्रक्चर, राइट, प्रोस्टेट बॉडी अभी लर्न किया. ऑन दैट्स दिस मेल फीमेल सेक्स ऑर्गन्स आर डेवलप. पूरा बॉडी गैमेटोफाइट है. पूरा बॉडी अभी क्या है? गैमेटोफाइट, राइट. पूरा बॉडी क्या है? ऑन दैट मेल फीमेल सेक्स ऑर्गन्स आर डेवलप. मेल फीमेल सेक्स ऑर्गन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर गैमेट्स आर फॉर्म. गैमेट्स का फर्टिलाइजेशन that leads to zygote formation. Zygote will undergo mitosis, and by mitosis क्या form होगा? Sporophyte. That sporophyte is differentiated into which three parts? Food, seta, and capsule. But these three parts, sporophytes remain attached with what? Gametophyte, right? वो gametophyte से attach ही रहता है. Because gametophyte is in which color? Green color. It prepares the food and provides the nourishment to sporophyte. Provides the nourishment to sporophyte. Now, ये जो capsule है, वो लाइन था आगे कि zygote, it does not immediately undergo meiosis, right? अभी क्या होगा? meiosis कहाँ पे होगा? So here in this capsule, the cells are present. Capsule में क्या present होते हैं? Cells. And these cells we call spore mother cells. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Spore mother cells. Which one? Spore mother cells. पूरा. And this each spore mother cell will undergo meiosis. By meiosis, how many daughter cells will be formed? 4. तो tell me, suppose यहाँ पे 4 spore mother cells है, तो कितने स्पोर्स बनेंगे? 16. 1 स्पोर मदर सेल कैन फॉर्म 4, तो 4 स्पोर मदर सेल कैन फॉर्म 16 स्पोर्स. समझ में आया? सो बाय दैट वे हियर स्पोर्स आर फॉर्म. यस और नो? तो स्पोर फॉर्मिंग स्ट्रक्चर वी कॉल स्पोरोफाइट. इसीलिए हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? स्पोरोफाइट. यहाँ पे गैमेट्स फॉर्म हो रहे थे, तो ये स्ट्रक्चर को हमने क्या नेम दिया? गैमेटोफाइट. Understand? Spores are